here is how you can record slow motion videos on the iPhone. So we can use the built-in camera app just located on your device. I have it in the dock in the bottom right. And right now you can see we can switch between the video mode and the photo mode. And in iOS 26, the additional options like the slow motion are kind of hidden away. So you have to scroll through it like this horizontally, which reveals cinematic. And now you can go to the slow motion, right? So you have to scroll through it at the bottom to actually get to this mode. And now it just works very simply. You can just press record and it's just gonna get started. Keep in mind at the top that we can also change the quality. For example, you can choose it to be HD or 720p, and most importantly, choose the frame rate. So think of it as like how smooth is the video supposed to be, because 240 is going to take up a little bit more storage, but it's going to be much smoother than the 120 FPS. Just, the regular videos which you capture are captured at 30 FPS. So, those captured at a 240 are going to be much smoother. And once you capture the video, you'll be able to find it in the gallery. And if you go to collections and types of the photos, the media types, you'll even have them separated in there so you can see the slow motion photos the videos, of course, are in here. And you can, of course, see it like that and control it without any issues. So that's how it works on the iPhone. Subscribe for quick tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later.